Ang hirap namang hanapin ng restaurant na ibinook niya. Saan kaya? Oh, dyan? O yan? Viña Borgo. Oh, dito kami kakain. Ah, parang minsan magugulat ka dito sa Italy, no? Ganyan yung restaurant niya. Uy! Uy. Nagagandahan ba kayo? Dito kami kakain. Tagong-tago. Yan mo yung bahay ng senyora. This one? Wow. Oh! Okay. Taverna. Beside. Ito na yung restaurant. Nakarating na kami. Para siyang kuweba. Ayan. Tingnan niyo naman, beside pa daw. Okay. Taverna nga. Sus Mariose. Taverna. Wow. Ito nga yun. Wow. Ang ganda naman ng ating restaurant. Ito yung mga gusto ko dito sa Italy eh. Talaga namang... Oh, ayan. May nakabitin. Baka mamaya mabitin ka pa dyan. Oh, sige, go. Go, daddy, go. Yan. This is your anniversary meal. First course in Acquasparta. What's this then?
This is with the pecorino, bacon, and salsa
It's a test. It's okay, no problem. Okay.
Bye.
Mine is fettuccine with carciofi, which is artichoke flowers, and crispy bacon. Okay.
And pecorino cheese.
And pecorino cheese. And prezzemolo. Thank you.
Buon appetit.
Good. This is our second plate or second course. And what's this?
Faraona.
Faraona.
Faraona
Okay,
is,
show them the faraona. Faraona. Show them the image of the faraona. I want you to see faraona bird. It's a bird? Okay, faraona bird. This one, have you seen this faraona bird? Wow, must be good. Yes. Tikman natin yung faraona o yung ibon na nakita nyo kanina. Puti yung meat niya.